In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track measurements on MyFitnessPal, a widely used app that helps you monitor your fitness journey. Whether you're trying to lose weight, gain muscle, or maintain a healthy lifestyle, keeping an eye on your measurements can provide insight into your progress beyond just watching the scale. Learning how to track these numbers properly can help you stay motivated and ensure you're heading in the right direction. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you don't have the app already installed, you can easily download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it up and get ready to log in. Next, you'll want to click on the Login option. This will guide you to the screen where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you're entering your email address and password correctly to avoid any login issues. Double check that you've spelled everything right, as sometimes a small typo can prevent you from accessing your account. Once you're sure everything is correct, hit the login button to continue. After logging in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is your main hub on MyFitnessPal, where you can see a summary of your daily activity, nutrient goals, and more. From here, you'll want to look for the Progress section. Give it a tap. This is where you can find detailed insights into the changes in your body over time. Once inside the Progress section, you'll see an option that says Weight. Go ahead and click on it. While it may initially suggest this section is just for logging your weight, it actually offers much more than that. Here you can enter various measurements including your weight, neck size, waist, and hips. Adding these measurements can provide a comprehensive view of your health and fitness journey. For instance, let's say you want to track your waist measurement. You'd start by selecting the waist option, then proceed to click OK to confirm your choice. After selecting waist, enter today's measurement into the app. Take your time to measure yourself accurately, as this will ensure your progress tracking is as precise as possible. Once you've entered the correct number, click on Set to save the data. By regularly updating these measurements, you'll be able to see changes and trends over time. This functionality is not just helpful for weight loss, but it's also beneficial for gaining muscle or maintaining your current state. Tracking these figures can highlight patterns you might not notice otherwise, keeping you motivated and informed about your body's transformation. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to track your body's measurements through MyFitnessPal, making your fitness journey more manageable and insightful. Happy tracking!